Welcome everyone to MERASALON Business App's 8th tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to view the salary or commission of our staff. To do this, you need to click on the My Staff section. As soon as we click here, this screen will appear in front of us. Here we can see the list of all the staff. Click on View where it is written. Here we can see how much the salary is. As soon as we input attendance, it automatically gets calculated here. And how much commission is earned. As we do billing, the commission for each service and product will automatically appear here. The total of these two is shown here in due. If they have taken any advance, the due amount will be shown in minus. When we pay the salary, click on the plus written below. Here we need to fill in the amount. If you want to write a note, you can. And then, pay. In the next video, we will learn how to add products. Thank you for staying connected with us.